Hey, kamusta, brother? Good luck and advance. Congratulations. Saludo ako sa iyo. Good luck din sa magiging eternal na companion mo. Thank you sa pagkakataon na naging companion tayo bilang isang magandang blessing para sa akin. Good luck and congratulations advance.
Danny Boy Regalado. So, napakabait mong tao at napaka-humble. Alam ko na magiging mabuti kang asawa sa mapapangasawa mo. At syempre, magiging mabuti kang ama para sa magiging anak yung dalawa. Humayo ka at magpakarami, anak. At happy ako para sa'yo. God bless. At
Hi,
alam
Ate
ko,
Slim. Congratulations sa wedding niyo ng hubby mo. I'm very happy na lahat ng plans natin nung nasa mission tayo ay natuloy. And I think pangako mo sa akin, 1% na yung anak mo. Pero I hope all your dreams, your future plans with your husband comes true. And we love you. I love you so much. Bye!
Hi, brothers and sisters. Congratulations, both of you. As you begin this new chapter, together may your hearts always find comfort and strength in each other. Wishing you a marriage that grows deeper every passing year. Best wishes to both of you from Bruce, Dr. Nicole, and Barnido family.
Surprise! It's your favorite companion. It's the Martel finally, huh? I am so happy that you're finally getting married. And I love you dearly so much. Through Sister Martel's encouraging words and her always pushing me forward, I was able to enjoy the rest of my mission. Another thing about her is she's always smiling. Her smile is just very. And to her husband, make sure you treat my sister right. If not, I will fly over to Philippines and you never know what I can do to you.
Hi, Sivay! My heart is with you. I'm so happy for you and the love you found. Wishing you and Danny a life full of laughter, deep love, and beautiful memories. You deserve every bit of happiness this day brings. I hope it's everything you dreamed of and more. Palangga ta!
Kapatid and Brother Danny, congratulations sa inyong magtupa. Love kaayo mo niya. And ako po, love kaayo ta mo. And once again, congratulations. Bye-bye. Ambi!
Sister Martel, we are so excited for you and wish you a wonderful wedding day. Just know how much we love you.
We do. We really love you, and we're so happy that you're making this important decision on this important day. We wish you the best, and may all the blessings of the temple and all the things you've learned on your mission come to you and give you everything you need. We love you. Congratulations.
Hello, Danny and Sim. Kumusta kayo? Congratulations again sa inyo. I can't believe nga si Danny were just a little boy back then. Kagmay pa gito siya. Subong retired missionary na gid siya. Ikakasal na siya sa temple with Sim. Sealing is the greatest blessing na you can bring sa iyong pamilya, sa inyong marriage and sa future family niyo, Danny. Congratulations, Liwat, Danny and Sim. Proud good ka sa inyo. May the Lord continue to bless your marriage and your family as you begin this wonderful journey together. Padayin lang and God bless. Love you.